A time for them little leeches and then little something here where fly up, we come from nowhere. Realize I'm not in the corner that they are from.
Uno need to understand, say, uno and Ninja not in the same league, whoever the leashes are. This man full of chat. Not even look a pitney, no full of chat. So, anyways, as you can see, is another Ninja Man video. Can you believe it's been 3 weeks since we post a Ninja Man video? No long talking, uno complain so much that me chat too much. Jesus. Just like a video for me, I'm not gonna chat too much. Respect.
Them things hurt me with it, brother. Because I notice now, I have a problem with some nowadays now. Where I get up at dead, you know. Because some man know so when them have blood clot, they get slim. I want someone that weigh 500 pounds and a dead and 6 man have to carry. You know what size 6 man have to carry for you? I want to some boy. Some boy if you just dead at the age of 2 pounds and 3 pounds and then pound there. We are dead at 500 pounds and 1,000 pounds. With the blood clot who fill it you up, you think man a crane boy?
Ninja Man says some man fit dead at the age of 2 pounds and 3 pounds. What age is that, Ninja? Ninja Man say, yo, you're too big. A crane fill you up. So what they must do, Ninja, stop eating? Yo, this man just funny without even trying. Anyways, since we are chat about food and slim, 10 tour in a one, this man him rush out of my house. If you go to work, no breakfast, no tea, not even a crackers. I mean, I tell us I'm hungry, you know. So boom now, around 1, 2 o'clock, you know, say lunchtime. I'm hungry like dog.
Me look hungry to you? John Crow.
How would a dirty dog you call John Crow?
John Crow.
Anyways, I drive past Donna's Caribbean restaurant. But me have some things to do with them in a rush. But they want gas lick me, hungry lick me. Me first make a U-turn quick and fast, rush in at the restaurant like say, yo, me a madman. Me see one nice thick Jamaican lady I serve up. And she say, dear, what you want today? So me say, what kind of soup you got? She say, chicken and red pea soup. Mwah. Me say, alright then, serve me up a small red peas. She say, small. You need medium. You look like say she look for me and see hungry mark on my face to rotted cloth. Me say, you know you're right, serve me a medium. Same time me I pay attention to her. Me not listen but me I hear somebody say, a Ninja Man friend, you know, a Ninja Man friend. So by the time it turns so, she say, yeah man, me subscribe to your channel, me watch your videos them. And me say, so yeah man, Miss Gail from Donna's Caribbean restaurant located at 2901 West Commercial Boulevard, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Big up yourself. If you're in the Fort Lauderdale area and you want some nice Jamaican food, go on over Donna's Caribbean restaurant. Tell them say, a Ninja Man friend send you. Yeah man. My favorite is the goat soup and the red pea soup. When you come on to the meat, me love the oxtail and the curry goat. Yeah man. Miss Gail, respect. Thanks for subscribing. Big up yourself. Yeah man, me appreciate the support and the conversation that we had today about Ninja Man. Very productive, very constructive. Big up yourself, man. And the free Ninja way I say, no, me know somebody I say, yo, you chat too much. Go and go down some Jamaican food at Donna's. Anyways, back to the video.
Your name I call, brother.
My name?
Yeah, man. I'm one the man knows, brother. If you never...
Oh, my name come up in a them thing, the Godfather.
Brother, if you never do the thing, then your name would not call.
Yeah.
Now here, everywhere I go here, Uncle Socks, Uncle Socks, Uncle Socks. Tell you about class boat in a desert like me, Uncle Socks, my youth. I hear near me here, I call my youth. I'm going to tell you something, you know, in life, you know, the humblest can't suck the most milk, yeah?
Let me tell you this. More time you wait too long, milk done for you, more time you have to run in for a nipple. That me I tell you to you, Godfather.
Yo, Uncle Socks.
Yeah.
You're a youth who got good school.
Godfather,
You get your good education.
Yeah.
What you have to do? We are sick from crime.
A long time man I try boy, you know, I try everything boy, you know. That system and I set up, you know, you make it in, you think of me bright, and my little sister bright, you know. And I post it, she a sell man nothing, a whoop in this, you know, this.
My youth.
Yeah.
Can't get in the world and lose your soul. May your father go from your father live.
In their prison, I thought me I tell you, because MP run in for him and take where him start. And them send him gone to prison, no man can't see him for a man a 8-year-old. Let me tell you this. Man born a prison, you know. You see you get up. A prison, you know, when you get rich, you get bail, you know, man. They can remand for a man born, no man can't see road, you know. You get bail long time on the road, you're right, you know, you're done, you know, you run boy, you know. That me I tell you too, you know.
Don't tell you already we can do some farming, you know.
Farming?
That me I tell you, you know.
Yeah, come tell them how you're a farmer.
Yo, Ninja man, talented no man. At first me I see this a 2 lakhs that are 3 lakhs. Twins of twins. Talented man. Ninja man per usual. You know it's a ninja man talented man. Prison life. Ghetto life. Coming like a prison. Me never experienced it, but I guess it's true. We're born to kill us. Never let a problem get you down. You got to stay focused and hold your ground. Yeah man. On to the next Ninja man video. When you like a video, just like a video for me, man. Respect, man. You know, say when you like a video, YouTube push the video and push the channel for me, because they not really push it now. Uno liking the video, push the channel now. I ain't gonna lie, so respect.
Yes, you know, it's still efficient. Yeah, child, we are go early tomorrow morning, you know. Same place.
Run my body, boy.
Hey, yo, watch your mouth, man. That's my brethren.
You run with too. Police.
Yo, my one away, see? Don't test.
Yo, Ninja my general. The man multi-talented, super entertainer you call Ninja man. One of the best scene in a third World Cup, in my opinion. Yeah man. They kill Ninja man in the third World Cup. As I do I walk to the valley of Ratty and Amina, a big clock, boom! Ninja dead in a show. Free Ninja! That way I say. We have a few more videos left to go. Alright, one nice piece of video up on the channel where Ninja man a show off in suit. See continuation. Yeah, me tell them I go find it.
What's your diamond hour? What's your diamond hour?
What diamond?
Diamond hour.
This.
I swear so I
You can't tell me. Six bills.
Six what kind of bill?
This.
6 US?
600. What do you mean? Barry. What you do to me?
I'm 15,000 for this pussy. Watch this. And 10,000 for this pussy. And white gold and diamond this. I say I will have print them up.
Yo, when Ninja man get film chat them from, me keep on asking the same question and I must tired of it. Ninja man say, and Ice, you aware of fridge them here. What can top that? You would stop arguing Ninja man. Ninja man say, yo, you are wear tracksuit, him wear suit and kill you with in chat. Now he come back and kill you again with in Ice. He man kill you in a suit, cause in a tracksuit, and he kill you with in jewelry, cause in a ice. And him a fridge. Man a freezer. Anyway, this is the last video. It's not really a Ninja man, but Ninja man was mentioned. So guess what? We gonna laugh about it. Dirty pasta.
St. Mary girl, them ugly. I don't have Ninja man piss in the water down there. Ugly. Me have one van St. Mary the one day. Me done with you cause you call St. Mary girl ugly. Me saying I see a blood clad face look like ass face.
Fresh drop.
You good, and your body big, and you sexy. But the face, not easy to deal with. Portland.
Listen, God said he make everybody in their own image, so I guess everybody is beautiful, but yeah, some people hard to look on. Nah man, Ninja man just different. I ain't gonna lie to you. Ninja man I when me go on my first stage show, remember vividly it was Richie Stevens show in a Westmoreland, Lauderdale, and when Ninja man push out, then say Ninja man a cool kid and all these things, but when he push out and start perform, the crowd real up. Honest to God, he was one of the first person to have the crowd going nuts. I swear to you. The front end time, how long that time I rate Ninja man still? Listen me I say. And I read in the update in regards to his trial, he said he was in Mandeville. That's one. And he has witnesses to corroborate his alibi. And they did not get a chance to go to court and witness on his behalf. So in lawyers they have that in the arsenal for shoot when the appeal start. But anyways, Ninja Man fans, big up on yourself. If you subscribe to the channel, big up yourself. If you watch the video, big up yourself. Miss Gail, big up yourself. Remember, Dana's Restaurant, 2901 West Commercial Boulevard, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Yeah, man. Go and check it out. And everybody who support the channel, however way you do it, respect, man. And as always, stay safe. God bless.